Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or should I say welcome back. So I've decided I'll be exploring some natural hair growth remedies and give you guys my personal feedback. So today is all about one of the most popular and powerful hair growth leaves, the moringa leaf, also known in India as the miracle tree. Some other common names are horseradish or ben oil or the drumstick tree. Now, moringa has been used for centuries for its antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. The benefits of these leaves are numerous and countless. Now, today we'll be making some moringa powder. Now, the first thing you need to do once you grab the leaves, you just need to wash them thoroughly. Now, these leaves are organic, however, you need to wash them to remove dirt or any other, bacteria or whatever can be on them. So what I am doing now, I just started by picking off the leaves, and I've washed them already, and I'm picking off the leaves. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to spread them out and cover them to start the drying process. Now, depending on your climate, it can take a longer time to dry, and this is how mine is after a couple of days. Once this is dried out, I'm going to add it to my blender and I'm going to blend it until it is very fine. Once it is, I'm going to do the blending off camera, as that was better for me. So once it is finished blended, I am going to sieve it, and then it's ready for use. So continue watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it.